Hey Dylan, it's Mike at American Motorcycle Trading Company, and I brought you back to the warehouse to show you that beautiful red Road Glide you asked about. It's currently in line to be professionally serviced and completely detailed as well back here in the shop. And I pulled it out of line just to kind of get a better look at it. This thing is really clean. It has some really nice stuff done to it also. There's no signs of abuse or neglect. All the paint looks like it's in great condition. The powder coating looks fantastic. Has these cool LED lights down here on the engine guard. LED blinkers with the halos on them. Those look awesome. Those bars look like they're about 14-inch handlebars or so. Nothing too tall. They feel great for me. There's that CVO seat. The quick detachable tour pack as well. Has a different shifter linkage down there, you see? These Vance and Hines pipes sound great too. Let's check it out. Sounds killer. The Vance and Hines X pipe and matching Vance and Hines mufflers, the high flow Screaming Eagle breather there. Also in here in the tour pack does come with the race tuner and the owner's manual, which is really cool. Anyhow, there you go. That's a closer look at it for you. Really good looking machine. I think you're absolutely gonna love this thing.